How to check login history on Facebook. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily check login history on your Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app. Then once you are in your Facebook, you have to tap on your profile in the top right here. And then here scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. In settings, scroll down, and here in security you have to tap on security and login. In security and login, here you will see where you are logged in. Here you will see all of the devices through you are logged in. So to see all devices, tap on see all, and here you will see all of the devices through which you logged in. If you want to log out, you can tap on here in the bottom, log out of all sessions, or if you want to log out through a particular session, you can tap on the right side of that session. Here you will see three dots, tap on it and tap on log out. So this is how you can check login history on Facebook app. Thanks for watching.